Hey guys, Sean from Bud's BMW, and I wanted to demonstrate the Park Assist feature on a 2021 BMW X5. Basically helps you either parallel park or reverse park automatically. So let's take a look. So moving to the interior of the X5, there's a couple ways to enable the Park Assist feature. You can either put the vehicle into reverse, or if I look at the center console down here, you'll have a Park Assist button, which I'll hit right now. You have two different views. On the left side, you have your standard reverse camera, and on the right side, you have your 360 camera, which is going to start looking for spaces. So I've put the vehicle into drive, and I'm slowly moving the vehicle forward. So it's going to be scanning on the left side. And as I move forward, looking for spots, it found your parking spot. So what you're going to do now is press the P button. The indicators come on, the steering wheel has lit up, and you'll let the vehicle do the rest. So it doesn't matter what angle you come into, the vehicle is going to basically do a 3-point turn, 5-point turn, whatever it takes to reverse the vehicle depending on the situation. In BMWs, you don't have to control the steering wheel, you don't have to control the brakes, and you don't have to control the acceleration. Basically, you let the whole vehicle handle itself. And again, it's taking everything into account. If you end up using this feature in your BMW, keep in mind, always keep your foot near the brake just in case something pops up unexpectedly. But you're seeing here, everything's being handled on its own. And there's your little chime there. It's put the vehicle back into park, and it's put the parking brake on as well. And you'll see here, the vehicle has been parked perfectly between either an X5 and an X3. That's how the Park Assist feature works on the BMW X5 or basically any other BMWs. If you have any questions, shoot me a quick message. Again, my name is Sean. I'm from Bud's BMW, and I can be reached at 647-554-4663. Thank you, and have a great day.